Good morning, good morning, good morning. Before I begin this video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting on the videos. And thank you for sharing. I really appreciate you. I have learned to camouflage. So yesterday, as my day was moving along, I realized I was supposed to be getting on Google Meets to have lunch with two of my co-workers, and I had not styled my hair. And I want to show you what I did so that I would be presentable to them. My daughter, Amanda, who's married to my son, CJ, gave me this scarf. I had on blue and white yesterday, so I just grabbed this, and this is what I did. And hopefully I can do it again. It doesn't always work out that way, but I am going to try it. So this is what I did in order to camouflage for my virtual lunch date. This is what I did. I'm going to show you a picture of it because I did take a picture yesterday. So if it does not look the same, just know that the wrap does not always have to look the same. I started to stick it underneath the scarf itself, but I'm just going to wrap it around and push it underneath what I just wrapped. Now I'm going to take this, and I can notice how the tighter I wrap it, the more it rolls up. And I already know that this is going to be different from yesterday, because I am going to go ahead and let this scarf do what it does. Notice as I wrap it, it is now turned into a little knot right there in the front, and I'm going to let it do that. And where am I going to put it? Right in there. If the strings hang out, I'll just push them back in. And now my hair is wrapped for the day. So now I can go out, I can have lunch, I can do whatever I want to do, because my hair, my head, and myself, I am presentable. I like this wrap. I like this one better than I like the one from yesterday. I am gonna though post pictures of what it looked like the day before. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, and thank you for sharing my videos. Make sure you comment and tell me how you like this wrap. This is a sister who loves her friends, her family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God, because He's been so good to me. He's been so good to me. And if you just stop and think about the goodness of Jesus and all He's done for you, you too will realize that He's been really good to you. Have a great day. Thank you.